Hi, this is Bob Brennan. I'm with International Office Technologies. I'm here this morning to talk to you about some of the Canon line of copiers along with an HP comparison. And today we're talking about 4251, which came out in 2013, and then the 4551, which came out in 2017. It's also got a variant that came out in 2018, which is the 4551 i2. Same machine, just more tied in more with the Canon proprietary Canon software. So we're going to talk about the mechanics and the functionality of the machine this morning real quick, and then we'll compare it to the HP. So pretty straightforward. This machine came out in 2013, the 4251, 351 pages per minute print, scan, and copy. The 4551 came out in 2017, 51 pages per minute print, 80 pages per minute to scan, and then copy speed is 51 pages per minute as well. Cost per page is the same at a penny a page. Excuse me, a little more toner usage out of the toner cartridge for the 4551, about 30% more toner usage. But again, your cost per page is the same. Excuse me. The screens, the interfaces on the two of these are different in that the older one is a little bit smaller touch screen, a little clunkier interface, if you will. The 4551 has a 10-inch touchscreen, a little more current with its touchscreen technology. But net, they do the same functions in that they both scan to folder, scan to network, and then scan to the proprietary Canon scanning software, if you will. New, these machines were pretty expensive, $12,500, and the 2017 was $15,000. You're looking at a used market on these currently of probably close to $3,500 for the 4251, and the 4551, if you can get it, excuse me, is somewhere between $6,000 and $7,000 currently. And these both do 11 by 17 scanning and output, which is important to understand. If your office uses 11 by 17 consistently, I would say go ahead and get these. If it doesn't use it that frequently, and when it does, you can outsource it to Kinko's or some other print source. Here might be a good alternative. Excuse me. Working through a cold here. The M4555, which is made by HP, it doesn't have a lot of finishing options. It's just got this simple stacker stapler here output. It does not do 11 by 17. Now, that could be a deal killer for you, or when you think about it, it could be a huge cost savings, and you'll see why here in a second. So both those other machines did around 51 pages per minute output, and the 4555 actually goes a little bit faster. It's 55 pages a minute. Now it scans a little bit slower at 57 pages a minute black and white and 42 pages per minute color. Again, it's all the nature of your office and how you use it. First page out is a little bit slower. It's 8.5, where the Canon first page out is right around 4 seconds, just under 4 seconds. So it's quite a bit faster. But again, depends on the criticalness of your printing. And again, all those features of the Canon are going to cost dearly, upwards to $3,500 to $7,500 on the used market. This machine you can get from us two ways. You can buy it without our cartridge program for around $2,000, or you can get it with our cartridge program. You buy 6 cartridges for just under $1,400, and that gets you complete service and maintenance as long as you use those cartridges from us. A pretty slick program. It's called our Peak Toner program. And we do that throughout the whole 7-county area here in the Twin Cities, in Minneapolis, St. Paul. And we can get you one of these. We have these in stock quite often, and we can turn them around probably within 48 to 72 hours if you need it. So if you have any questions, feel free to give a call to Sarah or Courtney at area code 651-452-5630. Thanks.